Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy. In this exciting tutorial, I'll show you how to create beautiful custom labels for your handmade jewelry using the Cricut Machine and free templates that you can download from my blog. I will show you two creative ways to make these beautiful tags and labels. One without a printer and the other one using the Cricut Print and Cut feature. And don't worry, you don't need to be a design expert, just your creativity and a Cricut machine. Let's start with the tutorial, but before we dive in, I'd like to kindly ask you to support my channel by subscribing, liking this video, and hitting the notification bell. Before we start working with the design, I invite you to visit my blog so you can download the free templates. You will find 44 free templates. I'm going to link them in the video description down below. Once downloaded on your computer, we're going to upload them to the Cricut canvas. Click on Upload, Upload Image, Browse, open the folder where you saved the files, select them, and open them. Continue and upload. These files are in SVG format with transparent background. These ones are very easy to upload to the Cricut canvas. These are all the templates that you can download from my blog. Pick the one of your liking and we're going to start customizing. First, I will customize a template to make a simple no printing label or tag. If you don't have a printer but you would like to make creative labels or tags for your jewelry, you can cut any of these templates using cardstock with design or with solid colors. For example, this template has 2 layers. You can cut one layer using cardstock with design and the other layer using solid colors. Just resize it to your needs. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to resize it to 2 inches wide. So now this one is ready to be cut. Now the next option, you can print and cut in only one layer. I'm going to customize this one. I'm going to select it and I'm going to change the color. Now here we can add text or any other design. I'm going to add text first. Now to change the font, go to Fonts. If you pay the membership, click on Cricut. If you don't, click on System. And there you're going to see the list of fonts that you have downloaded to your computer. Look for the one of your liking. I'm going to use one that is called Garden House. I'm going to link all the fonts used in this tutorial below in the description. Now I'm going to add a little design here. I'm going to add a very simple flower design. Now I'm going to add more text below the flowers. I'm going to change the font. And this one is ready. Very simple but beautiful. Now select all the layers and click on Flatten. Now this one is ready to be printed and cut. You can duplicate it and cut several of these on a letter size paper. Just remember to resize it to your needs. I'm going to resize this one to 3 inches. Now I'm going to show you how to customize this other one. This one has 2 layers. You can customize it so you can cut it into layers or only 1 layer. I'll show you in a little bit. To this white layer, I'm going to add text and design just like I did with the second tag. And here is the text and design. Since this tag is bigger, we can add more details over here. I'm going to add my website and I'm going to curve it. go to curve, drag the dot to the left, and curve it to your needs. I'm going to rotate it a little and place it at the bottom of the tag. And I'm going to select it and change the color to black. Now it's ready. We can select it and flatten all the layers to cut it in one layer, but I'm going to cut it in two, so I'm going to select only the top layers and click on flatten. Now this one is going to be print and cut, and the other one is going to be cut either with solid cardstock or with design. Now select both layers and click on group so the layers don't move. We already customized 3 designs. Now I'm going to show you how to customize another design. Now this template is to customize a folded tag or label. We can customize this one to print and cut, or we can just cut it like that with a beautiful cardstock. I'm going to customize it to print then cut. I'm going to add text and design just like I did with the previous 2. Here I already added the text and design on the front part. Now on this other heart, the one that is upside down is the one that's going to go on the back. So on this one I'm going to add a QR code and my website. If you don't know how to create a QR code, I'm going to show you really quick how to create one. I create mine with canva.com. Go to Canva, then type QR code generator, select any of these templates, leave it like that if you wish, or erase it and leave just the blank square. Go to the bottom left corner and select QR code. Then here you're going to type your website, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Then click on update code and resize it to fit the square. Once ready, click on share, then click on download, and you will have it on your computer. Now go back to Cricut Design Space and upload it, just like we did with the templates. Now resize it to use it on your tags or labels. So I'm going to put this one over here and the website. But since that one is going to be the folded part that is going to go on the back, we're going to rotate the text at 180 degrees. You can rotate the QR code if you wish to. When you finish, select all of the layers and click on flatten. And this one is ready to be printed and cut. I have another design here that I already customized. On this one, I placed a QR code on the front. This one is a bracelet tag. Now that I already showed you how to customize them, I'm going to move to the next step. But before, I wanted to show you examples of how you can customize other designs of templates. First, I'm going to create the tags or labels that don't need printing. After that, I'm going to show you how to create labels or tags using the Cricut Print and Cut feature. Now here are my templates. They are ready to be cut. So click on Make It, Continue, and here we're going to select the material that we're going to be using. I'm going to be using 65 pounds cardstock, but I'm going to select medium cardstock. If you don't see the material on this list, click on Browse All Materials, type the name of the material, and there you're going to see the list. selected and ready. If you wish to add it to your favorite, just click the flag. If it's green, it means that it's already on your favorites. To create these tags or labels, we're going to need cardstock. I like to use 65 pounds cardstock. You can use solid colors with patterns or cardstock with glitter. You can use the green mat. This mat came with the Go to Craft accessory bundle for cutting machines. They were very kind to send me this bundle so I can use it for this and my future tutorials. To cut these tags or labels, you can use any Cricut machine. I'm going to be using my Cricut Maker. And here are all the templates already cut. Now we're going to assemble them. For that, I'm going to be using a hot glue gun, but you can also use glue. These are the beautiful tags or labels using only cardstock. No printer needed. These are so easy and a great option if you don't have a printer. Now we're going to create labels or tags using the Cricut Print and Cut feature. These are the templates that I'm going to be printing then cut. I placed a black background so you can see the design, but I'm going to erase it before printing. So these ones are ready to be printed and cut. They are all flattened. So I'm going to click on Make It, Send to Printer, select the printer that you are going to be using, check on the bleed, check on Use System dialog and click on Print. Here, select the printer if it moved, Preferences, Photo Printing, Immediate Type. If you are using cardstock, select Matte Photo Paper. If you are using glossy photo paper, select Glossy Photo Paper. On Quality, select High. Then select letter size or A4 if you're using that size. Click OK, then print. To create the print and cut tags and labels, I like to use glossy photo paper, matte printable cardstock, or glitter printable cardstock. I heard from some user that glitter printable cardstock doesn't work to print and cut with Cricut. So far, it has worked for me, so I recommend you to do your own tests. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial below in the description. To print the tags and labels, I am using my Canon Pixma Mega Tank colored printer. Now that is printed, here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. In this case, I'm going to be cutting photo paper and printable cardstock. So I'm going to select heavy cardstock for all the materials that I'm going to be cutting. is how they look already printed and cut. They are beautiful. So this is the difference between the three materials: glitter printable cardstock, matte printable cardstock, and glossy photo paper. Pick the one that best suits your needs. I'm going to link the template, fonts, and all the supplies used in this tutorial below in the description. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make beautiful labels or tags for jewelry. And if you liked it, please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing the notification bell.